Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm good. Okay, introduce yourself. Tell me your name, your age, your grade, and your hobby.
Hi, my name is Violet. I'm 12 years old. I'm in grade 6. I like listening to music. There are 6 people in your family. My grandpa, my grandma, my father, my mother, and my little sister, and me.
Okay, there are 6 people in my family. Okay, so tell me about your family. Um, Tell me about your family. Tell me the names, the age, and what they look like.
My grandpa is a farmer. He works in the farm. He He in the farm. He usually pick the vegetable. My grandma is a farmer too. My father is a carpenter. He works in a wood shop. He make many things with wood, like table, like chair, and
How old is he? How old is he?
he he is 30 years old.
Okay. So, what does your mum do?
My mom is a tailor.
Where does she work?
She work in a she work she make many things.
Oh, she makes dresses. Oh, wow, okay. Hey, what do you want to be in the future?
In the future, I want to be a teacher
Why?
because I like children and I want to make them happy.
Okay. How are you going to do that?
I I study I study food
Study hard, yes.
and I learn how to make student well.
Okay, so, um, what do you usually do with your weekends,
After weekend,
with your family?
I usually go to the grandparents' house.
Okay. Anything else?
I help my grandma clean the house and I watching TV with my little sister.
Okay. Tell me about, tell me about a vacation with your family that you had.
Last summer, I go to the Thompson Beach with my family. I swim every day. I swim.
Wow, that sounds good. Okay, so let's talk about community helpers. Do you have any community helpers in your community?
I'm a teacher, constructor,
Yeah, construction worker, firefighter.
a police officer,
Okay,
and a baker.
okay. And do you know any caretakers?
I know doctor.
Where does he work?
He take care of sick people.
Where?
A dentist.
No, doctor. Where does he work?
He work in a hospital.
Okay. And the dentist, where does he work?
He works in
In the dental
surgery.
surgery. What does he do?
He
He fixes your
teeth.
teeth. Okay. So, amazing places. Do you know any amazing places?
I know road worker.
Road work and the bridge. Who works on the bridge?
A building work.
Painter works on the bridge. The painter. And who works in the forest? Is it a doctor? Is it the farmer? farmer? Is it a ranger? Yes?
A ranger work in a forest.
Okay. Who drives the aeroplane? Who drives the aeroplane?
An airport. And pilot.
And where does he work?
He work in a airport.
Okay. So, workers. Who farms wheat for bread?
A farmer. A baker.
Who farms wheat for bread? The farmer farms wheat for bread. Who trucks wheat to the mill?
A driver truck wheat to the mill.
Who grinds wheat into flour?
A miller fry wheat into the mill.
Into the flour. Who uses flour to bake bread?
The baker used flour to bake bread.
Who sells bread to mum and dad?
A cashier. A cashier
Sells
sells
bread
bread
to-
to the dad.
Who makes dinner for your family?
A grandpa makes dinner for the family.
Do you cook?
Yes.
Do you ever cook dinner?